What's going on, everybody? This is the Fan 21 here once again. And today I have for you another oddball box fan. This is a General Deluxe 20-inch manufactured by Lasco. Sometime probably about the early 60s. And this is a 2-speed fan with oscillation. And you're not hearing me, and you are hearing me right on that. This fan oscillates. Now, Lasco made 2 different variations of the oscillating box fan. The earlier versions of this, the older variation with the more round blades, made from the 50s, used louvers in front of the fan to act as the oscillation. This fan here takes a whole completely different approach and actually acts more as like a desk fan where there's a gearbox in the back of the motor. I'll show you that gearbox here, in which drives the oscillation. So the fan sways back and forth inside this cabinet. The cabinet's roughly about 11 inches wide to accommodate the swinging action, and the blades are swept back, as you can see. Pretty cool and very neat piece. The handle on the fan is not original. Someone added that on there in the past. And this is the crown jewel of the 7 fan lot from that Facebook Marketplace listing I mentioned in a few other fan videos. And without further ado, we'll give this thing a good demonstration. As you can see, the box for the fan motor is actually pivoting from side to side. Of course, a not very wide angle of oscillation, but you can see it oscillate. Now, the only downfall to this variation, like the older ones, this is basically oscillating only. The older ones had a switch where you can actually just keep the louvers in one place. This fan oscillates all the time, whether you like it or not. This is high. Drills on the thing rattle a little bit, but otherwise it's a pretty smooth running fan. Not really quiet by any means either. These 4 blades here are pretty loud. Shut it off here. Yep, very interesting fan. And there you have it. There was the 20-inch General Deluxe by Lasco oscillating box fan. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.